This is a mousse. Let's have a look how many punches that kid of mine would have had if he'd had a tube in. Well, here's one. That most certainly would have been a puncher. So we're looking at one breakdown. Oh, that one's alright. Oh, good God. Two. So a little look. Three punches. Good God, like four. Probably done the same time. Probably another one over here. Five. Good God, like six. 6 punches he would have had if he'd been running tubes. So I suppose, even though a Michelin mousse is quite expensive, it's paid for itself already.